how to add music to WhatsApp status. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our WhatsApp right here. And once we have opened our WhatsApp, the next thing that we need to do is to click the updates, which is right here on the middle bottom of the screen. So click updates and then you will be able to see my status. So all you have to do is to click that and then just choose the photo that you want to upload, or you can just take a photo right here. So let's do that. And once we are now here, on this part, you should be able to see a note icon wherein you can add a music. So unfortunately, in my account, this feature is not available yet. If this feature is available to you, all you have to do is to click that and then just choose the music that you want to add on your device. If you don't have that feature, then unfortunately, you won't be able to use that feature because that feature might not be available in your country yet. So once you have now added the audio or the music that you want to add, all you have to do is to go here and then just click the send icon so that you can now post it on your status. So that is basically it. That is how to add music to WhatsApp status.